So hello, it's good to have you here. I would like to talk about the installation of Homebrew in your M1 MacBook. Actually, I faced some challenges when I wanted to install Homebrew on my own MacBook, and later on I figured it out. But I feel many people may have a similar challenge, so I decided to make this video. So if you want to install your Homebrew, first of all, open your terminal. This is my terminal already open. Then you type in arc space minus x 86_64 space. Then you come to Homebrew website and copy the installation code and then paste it here. So typically, whenever you put in the first line of code that I told you, where you type in the arc space minus x 86_64, most codes that's usually installed on an Intel based MacBook can install using that same code. So I figured this out, and then I put this code, then I copied the same code, the installation code from the Homebrew website to make my installation. So after this, I already have the installation on my MacBook, so I will not complete the installation process, but this is how it happens. Now when you put in the code as I showed on the screen, I'll still put the description below. Then this will be prompted. You put in your password and then hit enter or hit return. Then it will ask you to press return to continue or any key to abort. This is to install the S code. So you hit your return and then the process of installation starts. So now it's it has started initializing the process of installation and finding the available software and then downloading it. So I will stop it here, but if you've not installed Homebrew on your Mac M1 based computer, then using this link you'll find your solution. Thank you.